Hello everyone, welcome to module 6 where we talk about aggregations and groupings in PostgreSQL. We are specifically going to discuss about count, sum, average, minimum, max, group by, having, filtering with aggregates and grouping sets, cubes, and roll. Perfect. All right, so we are still using our table cybersecurity instance, and one more time we're going to take a look at it. Select all from cybersecurity incidents. So we'll run this code, just take a look at the table that we're looking at. All right, so let's start with aggregations. Aggregations, they perform calculation on set of values and return a single value. So you have your four main aggregations. We have sum, minimum, average, max, and mean. Yeah, so we're going to do that and see. I'll explain each and every aggregate what it is, but for some you know what it is. So let's start with count first. So what I want to do is I want to select, let me delete this one so that I can create a little bit more space here. All right, I want to select count, and I want to count everything as total incidents from cyber security incidents, where I just put the web country is equals to let's say China. Perfect. When I count everything that belongs to China, so I put 1200, 223, 1243 rows for China. All right, so that's count for you. I'm just counting everything where country goes to China. All right, let's do sum. Sum basically is the same as you're just summing up everything, adding up everything. So let's say select sum records affected. As you can put as early as that you want, total records affected from cybersecurity, where countries goes to China. So aggregating everything that belongs to China. Perfect. All right. Average is another. We can simply just say average. Then this will be average. So the average is 497,041.76. All right. So let's talk about mean and max. Mean and max. Mean just talks about the lowest number in a given set of numbers. Maximum is the highest number in a given set of numbers. Highest and lowest values. All right. So I'll do two of these. So to do mean and max, we can do select max records affected as max impact. So mean records affected as mean impact. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the highest number of records affected in the whole table, and also return the lowest number of records affected. So when I run this, it's going to give me two numbers. So this is the highest, almost 1,999,787, then also 126. And if you do this, if you do select all from cyber security incidents, perfect, and just run this on code only. It wants me to comment this one out and run this one. Select from cybersecurity instance. Okay, yeah, this is the issue. It must run right now. Perfect. So if you scroll down on records affected right here, you'll find that the highest will be that number that we found, and 612 was the minimum. And if you scroll down, you end up finding that 612 because that's the minimum and maximum. All right. Let's talk about group by. Group by, we use it when we want to find totals per specific dimension.